We're about to enter the dog park, and it's a bark park. So I had to walk across from the lobby into the second half of the building, and this is located right next to a garage. But oh my goodness, some places say they have a dog park. This is a park. This is huge. This is the biggest dog park I have ever seen in an apartment. Just look how massive this is. Okay, so you can enter it from there. There's, of course, your pouches to take care of your pets. Look at this amount of space. It's massive. This is unreal. Okay, so I'm here on this kind of area that's concreted, and then there's some fake grass, and then there's all of this grass. Are y'all seeing this? This is amazing. This is huge. This is a lot of space. I mean, they ought to make this into we have Mutts in Uptown. They ought to make this in another Mutts. It's not quite that big, but it is pretty large. And it goes all the way over there to the gate. I'm going to actually walk some of this. I just want you to see. I'm taking a lot of steps to get out here. Wow. Y'all, it's all the way over here. I still haven't walked. And I'm way back over here. This is the biggest dog park I've ever seen in an apartment, bar none. So amazing job. You do have some apartments that are right over here. So if you had a pet, to be located right there on the first floor or on this side of the building would be a big plus, because this is a large area. I'm amazed at how big this is. So pet friendly, big plus with the Arpeggio. Wow. And it just stretches on and on. There's areas over there, so you can just let your dog not just take care of business, but really run and go free in here. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this Arpeggio dog park. It's pretty amazing and pretty large.